There is no law and there is no state in the world, in the United States, let's say, in the United States, where a doctor is legally blocked from protecting the life of the mother. That is not a thing. That law does not exist. Also, abortion is legal. And many people have said, well, we want to vote for Harris because we don't want the federal government involved in what we women do with our bodies. Okay, so let's address the logical fallacies in those statements, because I know there are some people who are listening to me right now who have actually heard that. You probably repeated it. Maybe you posted it on social media. Maybe you have said it yourself in a conversation. All right, that is a bullshit argument that is not based in reality. Let me help you out. So the statement I'm addressing here is people saying, I'm going to vote for Harris and Walz because we don't want the federal government involved in what happens with my body or our bodies. First of all, when the United States Supreme Court struck down Roe versus Wade 2 years ago, they decided clearly that the federal government is no longer involved in what happens in your body. That's exactly what it did. When the Supreme Court struck down Roe versus Wade, they officially removed the federal government from decisions about what happens with women's bodies. That officially happened. That is the truth of what happened. Federal government has no say in what you do with your body, at least when it comes to abortion. Let's put it that way. They have no say anymore. Striking down Roe versus Wade said is no longer a federal issue. This is now a state level issue, which means the laws when it comes to what you choose to do, abortion or no abortion, are now based on the state in which you live, not based on the country in which you live. That is the literal fact of the situation. I don't even like to say fact because facts can be manipulated. It's the truth. So the federal government is no longer involved, folks. And the reason that happened is because of, can anybody name the person who made that happen? Donald Trump.